Hello, welcome to Air and Oil Company's video blog. We're going to spend a few minutes this afternoon talking about a rapidly emerging industry, and that is crude oil by rail. This is just exploding around the country, and just wanted to get your thoughts on what we've done to be a part of that emergence.
Well, you know, this industry has exploded. I mean, the crude by rail industry it's really just in the last few years. You know, it's been amazing to watch. But most of the fracking and shale oil around the country is being transported by rail. So we're seeing you know, more than ever before, and we strategically aligned ourselves with a group that's been in the railroad business a long time in Moss Point, Mississippi, Mississippi Export Railroad. That we came together to meet the needs of this emerging industry because the amount of rail car issues now has really overwhelmed the infrastructure that's been in place. So this facility now that we have can now take in up to 2 to 3 full unit trains at one time. We have 1,500 rail car spaces available that pretty much puts us as a facility as the largest in North America, which is one of the largest. It's just huge, and so we got a lot of potential there. And then this facility is connected on the south to CSX line and on the north to CN. So you got the ability to really reach out and take cars from all over the country very efficiently. The crude by rail industry, when you look at these charts to show how fast it's growing, it's amazing. In 2010, you can see the number of facilities that loaded and unloaded, you know, rail cars with crude oil, and then look at it just in just 5 years in this next slide, and it's just amazing how much infrastructure that has been put in place. It's just billions and billions of dollars were invested. So it's a really rapidly emerging industry that is been a big challenge for the railroads to deal with, as well as all those that are shipping.
Wow. So we have partnered with these guys, and we will provide cleaning for those rail cars at their facility.
They offer a lot of mechanical services. We're offering the cleaning, and we have one of the only facilities now that can process all of the waste that's removed from these cars, or you know, the recovered products. It goes through our reclamation process, and that's a big part of this too, because from our looking at the industry, a lot of companies have trouble finding a way to deal with the wash waters and recovered product that comes out of this process. And then in May in 2015, this industry became regulated, and that's a big change, because that's causing a lot of these rail cars to have to be retrofitted with new safety devices, and they have to be cleaned and inspected and corrosion tested and metal thickness tested. There's just a lot of things that the industry having to deal with that they've never had to do before. So I think that it's just overwhelmed the entire infrastructure, and we now are at a good place to assist this industry to get caught up with this huge problem, this backlog.
That's incredible. What an exciting opportunity to meet an emerging need.
Yes.
So thank you for your time and your expertise. Thank you guys for joining us.